everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna walk you through what am I saying? Sorry about that. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can add image to your post on the Tumblr mobile app. First, open the Tumblr app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, select photo from the list of post options. Then, choose a photo or an image. Now you can select from your device or take a new photo. If you want to select from your device, tap upload a photo and choose the image from your phone's gallery. If you're taking a new photo, tap take a photo to use your phone's camera to capture a new image. You can also add multiple images. This is optional. You can add multiple images to a single post. You can also edit the image, optional too. We have within the app basic editing tools like filters, cropping, and rotation. You can also decide to add a caption, which is a text to accompany your image. When you're through, tap post to share your image with your followers. You can also add images to other types of posts such as text posts and video posts. Please consider using high quality images for the best visual impact. Add relevant tags to your post to help people find it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.